guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or hello if you're new. This is Avneet Talwar this side, and it has been a long since I uploaded any kind of content. However, today I have a whole kind of video for you guys. ये सब जितनी भी चीजें हैं मैंने नायका के सेल के टाइम पे खरीदी थी, तो तभी तो मैं शूट नहीं कर पाई. बट राइट नाउ आई थॉट क्योंकि मैंने ये चीजें परचेज किया है एंड आई हैव नॉट ओपनड इट येट, व्हाई नॉट शो इट टू यू गाइस. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी फर्दर टाइम, लेट्स मूव अहेड एंड लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. Starting off with hair care, I purchased this serum from Wishcare. This is their Wishcare Hair Growth Serum Concentrate, which has 3% of retinol, 4% of anagen, and 2% of biasapil, caffeine, biotin, rosemary and rice water. ये मैंने एक्चुअली एक ऑफर चालू था और मैंने ये जो प्रोडक्ट है ये दो खरीदे थे. I have been using and I have been seeing quite some growth and a lot of baby hairs have started coming up. So this product is something which I personally will recommend you guys. And ये क्योंकि ऑफर में था, I also got a Wishcare multi-peptide hair fall shampoo free. So this is a hair serum that I might highly recommend to you guys. Just a heads up that it's a concentrated serum, so you don't have to apply a lot of it, just a tiny amount and you're good to go. But you should know the spots जहाँ पे आपको लगता है कि आपको hair की ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है या hair growth की ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है, so you will be good to go. So if you're planning to purchase a hair growth serum, maybe you can invest on this one. Let's talk about skincare. For skincare, I purchased these two products. I was running out of toner and I was very skeptical to buy which toner. Truth be told, this Minimalist is something that I had my eye on for quite some time, but I couldn't, for some reason try it out. And the only reason I bought this toner by Nude is only because of its packaging. It is so sleek, so minimal and so good, and I just can't wait to try these out. अब हॉल की बात चल रही हो और मेकअप ना हो, ऐसा तो हो नहीं सकता. And I went all in Gaga when it comes to makeup, and I will show you each of those products. To begin with, I purchased these concealers from Inside. Truth be told, I have been loving their products quite lately. Now these are two shades that I purchased. One is in the shade Warm Yellow NC4 and one is NC5, which is medium yellow. I think these might fit perfectly when it comes to my skin tone, and it's very difficult to find concealers, at a very budget friendly rate. So yes, these I am pretty excited to try on. When we are talking about makeup, I think one of the trend which is working a lot is the minimal makeup, and for that I highly wanted to invest in a BB cream, and this BB cream by Mars is something that I have been hearing people getting gaga over it, and I couldn't just stop myself from buying it. This is in the shade 04 Tan, and I will definitely share its review once I am using it. Hey, however, I just realized that you guys are not following me on Instagram. I would suggest कि इनके in-depth review अगर आपको देखने हैं, definitely YouTube video तो आएगा ही, but उसके पहले I will be uploading the content on Instagram, so do check it out. One of the foundations which will always have my heart is by PAC. Now, this is one of the foundations which I purchased as a makeup beginner kind of a girl, and I have been loving their products since then. Not only they are budget friendly, but my oh my, the quality is just chumeshwari. So this is something that I would highly recommend you guys to invest in. I was literally running out of eyeshadows, and truth be told, I'm not a girl who is very heavy on eyeshadows, and I wanted something which takes me back to my basic days. Hence I invested in this back to basic eyeshadow from Mars. The packaging, truth be told, was so bloody attractive that I couldn't stop myself from buying. And this shade range which this eyeshadow palette has is perfect for even everyday makeup look and even to glam it up, because they have eyeshadow shimmers. So this is something that I will be using quite a lot, and I think it's a very decent buy, because I personally am not a person who will invest a lot on eyeshadows, because I don't play a lot around colors. So for me, this works perfectly. One of the most hype products when it comes to lip balm was this lip balm by Hyphen. This is the vitamin infused peptide lip balm vintage. It has peptides, vitamin E, lyocinic acid, squalene, and whatnot. I am eagerly waiting to try out this one, because the hype, I want to see whether it's real or not. Two more products in the same category that I purchased are from Mars and from Inside Cosmetics. कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर्स के शेड्स ऑनलाइन मुझे ना जल्दी से करेक्ट मिलते नहीं हैं, बट हाउएवर आई वेंट इन अगेन एंड आई ट्राइड आउट दिस इज समथिंग that was recommended to me by my friend, so I knew that I had to try it. And inside का जो inside का जो mineralized pressed powder है, this contains SPO. What is wrong with me? So this contains SPF 24, and this is something जो मैंने पहले भी try किया था, and I really like this product, so I repurchased it again. Everyone knows that Mars lately has been nailing their makeup game, and this is something that I wanted to invest on. Now when it comes to makeup fixer, usually I use products from Swiss Beauty or Inside. Pretty happy with the Inside one, but not happy with Swiss Beauty. And because your girl feels very experimental, she thought of investing on this one. You know, you're a true makeup fanatic when you feel the more the red, the less the red that you have, if you know what I mean. So what I'm trying to say is कि मैं जितने भी रेड लिपस्टिक्स खरीद लूं, मुझे हमेशा कम ही लगते हैं. Even though I'm wearing a red lipstick right now, I feel कुछ तो कमी है. So I went in and I purchased different shades of red. Now this is from Inside Lip Ink. Inside lipsticks are something that really are to invest for. If you are not investing, you are missing out on something. This is in the shade 22 Heavenly. So I am going to try it out. Next, I really wanted to invest in a lip crayon, and this is by Mars. Like I said, your girl is very experimental and loves to experiment. This shade literally caught my attention, and it looks so good. This is I Am Powerful 08, and the last one again is a lip crayon by Mars. This is non-transfer lipstick. I am a little skeptical when it comes to trying out this lipstick, but we'll see how it goes. So these were the products from Nykaa that I purchased when the sale was on, and there are a lot of hauls coming up because I'm gonna travel, so I have like a travel haul kind of a thing which I'm gonna show you guys, and a lot of more content. Trust me when I say this is gonna come up, because your girl is traveling for work and for you, well, for work and for you. So stay tuned, and hey, do not forget to like this video, share this video, and comment as to which was your favorite product, and let me know if you are also a red lipstick girl like me, because I sure am. And if we are, hey, maybe you can follow me on Instagram as well, and I will see you next time soon. Bye.